So, how can you assess your workplace for psychological safety? Really, you have to monitor and measure respectful behaviours and the culture. So, how might you do this? There are lots of ways, and many of you will be in organisations that hopefully do things like climate surveys, which might reveal certain issues of concern where people feel that there's a lack of respect or they feel there may be bullying or issues. But you may want to specifically conduct a a psychological safety audit. It can come out through 360-degree feedback, where people get feedback about their own behaviour, so they may learn what is not safe behaviour. Certainly one-on-one and group interviews can actually elicit some of the information. And if any of these things are done, it's so important to meet and discuss the results, because too many times organisations do surveys, get the results, and staff never hear about it again. So very important to say, look, this is what we found. This is a low issue and an area for concern. Here's something we need to fix up. Hey, here's what we did well. Here are plans for what we're going to do to fix any concerns. And here are some learning strategies we're going to implement. And we're actually going to refine our policies. So these are all the things that are really ongoing in the way in which the workplace is monitored and the respectful behaviours are looked at.